Stop right there before you make a costly mistake that could waste months of your time. If you're thinking about starting a faceless YouTube channel, there are 8 deadly niches that will sabotage your success before you even begin, and 4 golden opportunities that could transform your entire financial future. I've been running multiple faceless channels for years, and I've seen countless creators fall into these traps. Today, I'm going to save you from making the same expensive mistakes that have destroyed thousands of channels. Let's start with the worst offenders. First up is compilation content, and this might shock you because these videos get millions of views. But here's what nobody tells you. Most compilation creators aren't making a dime. Why? Because simply downloading clips and stitching them together violates fair use principles. YouTube's monetization system is brutal when it comes to compilations. You're essentially repackaging someone else's content without adding transformative value. The original creators can copyright claim your videos, and YouTube often refuses monetization entirely. However, there's a right way to do compilations. Get explicit permission, or better yet, compile your own original content. Next, meditation and relaxation videos might seem like easy money, but most people do them completely wrong. Simply grabbing royalty-free music and slapping it over stock footage won't cut it anymore. YouTube's algorithms have gotten smarter. The solution? Add genuine value through guided meditations with your own voice, or invest in custom-made audio content. Motivational content presents similar challenges. Sure, those inspirational speeches from famous figures get views, but you're walking into copyright territory again. Using someone else's speech isn't transformative enough. Instead, create original motivational content in your own words. Now, here's a painful truth about kids' channels that'll shock you. Despite massive views, they generate almost no revenue. Thanks to regulations protecting children online, YouTube severely limits advertising on content aimed at kids under 13. I know someone with millions of views earning only a few $100s per month. Non-advertiser-friendly content is another revenue killer. Brands don't want their ads appearing alongside controversial material. Avoid swearing, violence, or anything that might make advertisers uncomfortable. Clean, family-friendly content consistently outperforms edgy material financially. Artificial intelligence content is increasingly risky territory. YouTube is cracking down on AI-generated content that uses someone else's likeness without permission. Low-quality AI voices often prevent monetization. Music and lyric videos face immediate copyright challenges. And gaming, it's incredibly saturated. Thousands of new channels launch daily, making it hard to stand out. Success in gaming requires exceptional creativity. Now let me reveal the 4 golden niches that consistently generate serious income. These categories have proven themselves time and again. Finance content dominates YouTube earnings potential. People desperately need financial education, from budgeting basics to investment strategies. Create content explaining complex financial concepts in simple terms. Fitness and health content never goes out of style. Whether it's workout routines or nutrition advice, this audience has disposable income and invests heavily in health-related products. Technology content captures high-value viewers interested in the latest gadgets. Tech enthusiasts are early adopters with significant spending power, attractive to advertisers. Travel content taps into dreams and aspirations. Even when they can't travel, viewers consume this for inspiration. This niche offers opportunities through affiliate marketing and sponsorships. The key to faceless YouTube success isn't just avoiding the wrong niches. It's choosing categories where you can provide genuine value. Focus on education, entertainment, and inspiration. Your niche choice will determine whether you're building a sustainable business or a house of cards. Choose wisely. Which of these golden niches resonates with you? Passion plus profit is where success begins.